what's happening weather-wise out there because unfortunately today has been kind of a gloomy, raw, kind of rainy day, but the last of the showers are beginning to push out of here, although in western Mass, we're starting to see a little bit of redevelopment from North Adams down to Pittsfield and then down to Great Barrington as well. So if they continue to make it across the state, we could see some more in terms of showers through the next couple of hours. In terms of how much rainfall we picked up so far, about 4/10 of an inch in Boston, but the Vineyard actually picked up 1.25 inches. So there was some pretty significant rain from this system. And as you look over Boston right now, it is cloudy out there, 43 degrees. And notice that wind right now out of the north and west at about 8, but that wind is really going to start to crank as we head through the overnight hours and into your Tuesday morning. Temps tonight dropping into the 30s and 40s. We'll see a partly cloudy night. The winds, though, out of the west at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. In fact, as you look over the next 12 hours, here's what happens. Those winds in Boston will be sustained at about 25 to 30 miles an hour, and we could see wind gusts up to about 50 miles an hour. So, of course, when you get that, you have that wind advisory that's going to be issued beginning at 8 p.m. tonight, and that is going to go until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So the worst of the wind is in the morning on the way into work. On the way home, the wind should start to back off. Now tomorrow, temperatures are going to warm up into the mid to upper 40s through Worcester and the Merrimack Valley, but we're actually going to warm up to around 50 degrees in Boston and maybe a few low 50s on the map along the South Shore and the Cape. Now, the only thing with this, of course, when you have strong winds like that, it makes it feel a little cooler outside. And we will see some sunshine tomorrow, but there'll be some clouds filtering in through the afternoon. As you look for the next 7 days, here's what's going to happen. Our temperatures are going to continue to trend up. In fact, tomorrow I want to point out those wind gusts and just how strong they're going to be out of the north and west. Notice by about 8 o'clock in the morning, we could have wind gusts in excess of 45 to 50 miles an hour. And then they start to back off as we head towards the evening. But the big pattern change happens on Wednesday. First, we see a lot of sunshine, but the jet stream is actually going to retreat back to the north, and that allows for milder air to move in as we head towards Wednesday and even into Thursday. And Thursday, take a look at your high temperatures. You're going to be in the low to mid 60s, maybe a few even upper 60s on the map. It'll be mostly cloudy, and we are going to look for rain coming on in overnight, and that will continue into Friday, although it's not a rain like today, it's a mild rain. That is a cold front coming, though, and that's going to bring in colder air as we head towards the upcoming weekend. I'm meteorologist Danielle Volmar.